A fragrant aroma of food was drifting throughout an aircraft's cabin. Flight attendants, pushing a food trolley, approached a set of couple who had a 3-month-old baby with them. "Sir, what would you like to have?" asked attendant. Husband replied, "May I know what's available?" As the attendant started taking the names of various non-vegetarian items, the couple seemed confused. "Are there no vegetarian dishes?" In a haze of confusion, the husband asked, "Sir, did you select a vegetarian meal during booking? Because according to my list, there is no such special request marked on your seat. May I see your boarding pass, please?" At that moment, it became apparent that the next 27 hours were going to go very hungry. Couple realized on the journey from Australia to India, they would have to survive on limited quantity of only bread and butter. An infant baby was still nursing, and producing milk was going to be difficult. This heartache disturbed mother, and she vowed to her husband, "I will not rest until I sell my own vada pav in this flight," said Jayanti Kathai, who later went to create Purna Brahma chain of restaurant from the fire created in her heart by this flight. If you want to achieve something and become successful, please watch the video till the end. If you like this video, like, comment and share, and also subscribe this channel for more such motivational videos. So let's start with Inspired Women by Success Stories, episode number 2. Jayanti Kathai was born and brought up in Nagpur city of Maharashtra in India. Her upbringing was in food-loving family with values of Indian tradition. Jayanti learned to cook authentic Maharashtrian vegetarian food at a very young age from her mother as well as her grandmother. She completed her education in software engineering and after marriage settled down with her family in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Due to her love towards preparing and serving food, she used to cook and carry special recipes during festivals for her colleagues also. The fire started by the flight incidents in 2006 flamed Jayanti's passion in creating her own authentic Maharashtrian vegetarian food. Her team conducted a research of 6 months to explore new dishes by going distant villages of Maharashtra beyond cities like Mumbai and Pune. They learned so many new traditional dish recipes from elderly people there. It took almost 3 years to prepare a proper menu for Purna Brahma, says Jayanti. The idea was to provide an Maharashtrian cultural ambience along with authentic traditional vegetarian food. While working in IT company, she felt a vacuum about the eateries. Hence, she wanted to provide people with pure and fresh food which comes from her own culture away from the rush of this fast food. Jayanti has worked for almost 13 years in IT company. She was working in her dream company Infosys as a project manager when she left her job for her passion towards food. You have to believe in your dreams. You have to plan your dreams and then execute it to the correct way, to the correct time of business, says Jayanti. After many research and proper business planning, in 2013, she started Purna Brahma restaurant in a very small place of 23 seaters at Koromangala, Bengaluru. it was very challenging to open an authentic Maharashtrian vegetarian restaurant in non-Marathi region. But still, she accepted it, and with the help of family and friends, she managed to open first center. Jayanti understood that it won't be enough to just speak about tradition. Rather, it will be much more effective when you are actually acquiring the tradition. Hence, she changed her way of living. Change from western skirt to 9-yard sari was not so easy, but she acquired and transformed herself into traditional attire. Due to her hard work and keen sense of business planning, she managed to shift restaurant to HSR location for a better and bigger place. Got loan approved of 70 lakhs, which was huge investment then. Challenges were many. Finding a cook or chef in non-Marathi region was too difficult, but Jayanti managed to find a way by training local people to prepare Maharashtrian cuisine, using modest hand signs due to language barrier. In life journey, you find people who help and also people who hinder. In Purna Brahma's life, there were helping hands and people who caused losses too. Things got bad to such a big extent that she had to sell off her jewelry and also borrow money. But Jayanti did not give up and continued with her passion, even when she had to delay employees' salary because she had no money. Your dreams are something that drives you. If you keep chasing them, they actually get realized. Disappointments are just the life's way of testing your determination. Jayanti did not stop dreaming, and most importantly, she didn't give up. Like every dream passionately chased, her business started picking up and also went beyond borders. Life came full circle when Purna Brahma opened their first international location in Australia. Currently, there are 11 branches of Purna Brahma across the globe. Jayanti proudly says that 70% workforce of Purna Brahma are women. Besides serving vada pav in flight, Jayanti's goal is to have 5,000 outlets of Purna Brahma across the globe. No one can stop you when you chase your goal passionately. Women like Jayanti Kathai are like shining stars in otherwise dark night. And my job through this channel is to point out these stars which can motivate everyone to grow and to go big. If you know any other woman who has succeeded in her life, please comment below. Also help me motivate people by sharing this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such motivational videos. Thank you.